Okay, so I've got it covered in peanut butter. You don't need a whole lot. See, it gets a little messy. It's everywhere. You don't need a whole lot, just enough to get it to stick. So close that up, and let's put some breadcrumbs on it. See? What's up here? Okay. So much fun. This is a huge mess. But it's really fun, and the kids will like it, and the birds will like it, and we have a ton of squirrels out here that will probably more than likely be the ones that are eating it instead of the birds. But that's fine. So I'm just kind of pressing it in to make sure some of these bigger pieces will stay. And it's sticking pretty good. Just gonna sprinkle some up here. Whatever doesn't stick, I'm just gonna kind of put in a little area around my yard. I like to have just like certain spots. I know that my mom has two different bird baths out here, so I'll probably stick a couple pieces near, a couple little handfuls near the bird baths. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So I'm just gonna go hang this up, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's hanging on the tree.